Today, we're diving into the surprising world of 7 supermarket remedies that will shock you. From unexpected cures to handy hacks, you won't believe what's hiding in your local grocery store. Stick around, because these tips could save you time, money, and even a trip to the doctor's office. First up is honey. This sweet treat is more than just a natural sweetener. Honey has been used for centuries to treat wounds and burns. Its antibacterial properties help prevent infections, and it promotes faster healing. The secret lies in its high sugar content and low pH, which inhibit the growth of bacteria. Next time you get a minor cut or burn, reach for that jar of honey in your pantry. Be sure to use raw or medical-grade honey for the best results. Processed honey may not have the same healing properties. At number 2 is bananas for heartburn. Got heartburn? Grab a banana. This potassium-rich fruit can help neutralize stomach acid and provide quick relief from heartburn. Bananas contain natural antacids that can act as a buffer against acid reflux. It's a simple and tasty solution that you probably already have at home. Not only are bananas great for heartburn, but they also come with a host of other benefits like providing a quick energy boost and aiding digestion. Next at number 3 is ginger for nausea. Ginger is another powerful remedy you can find in your supermarket. Known for its ability to ease nausea and motion sickness, ginger contains bioactive compounds like gingerol, which have anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. Whether you're dealing with morning sickness, post-operative nausea, or even chemotherapy-induced nausea, ginger can be a lifesaver. Try grating some fresh ginger into hot water to make a soothing tea, or keep some ginger candies on hand for a quick fix. Number 4, oats for skin irritations. Oats aren't just for breakfast. They can soothe skin irritations and itching. An oatmeal bath can provide relief for conditions like eczema, poison ivy, and even sunburn. Oats contain compounds called avenanthramides, which have anti-inflammatory properties. To make an oatmeal bath, grind some oats into a fine powder, add them to your bath water, and soak for 15 to 20 minutes. Your skin will thank you for the soothing, moisturizing treatment. Holding steady at number 5 is good old apple cider vinegar for sore throat. Apple cider vinegar is a versatile remedy with many health benefits. For a sore throat, mix a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar with warm water and honey. Gargle with this mixture to kill bacteria and soothe your throat. The acidity of the vinegar helps break down mucus and inhibit the growth of bacteria. Remember to rinse your mouth with water afterward to prevent the acid from eroding your tooth enamel. Almost there at number 6, baking soda for teeth whitening. Want a brighter smile? Baking soda is a natural teeth whitener. It acts as a mild abrasive, removing surface stains from your teeth. Make a paste with water and brush your teeth with it a few times a week. Just be gentle to avoid damaging your enamel. You can also mix baking soda with your regular toothpaste for a more palatable taste and added whitening power. And finally, at number 7 is turmeric for inflammation. Turmeric, often found in the spice aisle, is a powerhouse for fighting inflammation. The active compound, curcumin, has strong anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Adding turmeric to your diet can help manage conditions like arthritis and digestive issues. Try adding turmeric to your smoothies, teas, or favorite recipes. Just remember, a little goes a long way. And there you have it. Some incredible supermarket remedies that are not only affordable, but also incredibly effective. Give these a try and let us know in the comments how they worked for you. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing tips and tricks. See you next time.